All right, let's go ahead and solve problem number 36. It says, Sharon and Justin belong to an outdoor orienteering club. Sharon uses her compass to walk over the trail given by the following directions from her orienteering assignment sheet. To start the wilderness clubhouse and go north 1 mile. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and follow all these instructions. And going north 1 mile is like starting at point A and ending at point B. And that's going to define 1 unit. We can call it 1 mile or 1 unit. All right, the next step is to go east 2 miles. So if I'm going to go east 2 miles, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate A to get A prime, 90 degrees. And then I'm going to rotate B to get B prime. And I end up 2 miles east, which is what was required here. It said go east 2 miles. Go southeast 1 mile. All right, so southeast is going to be this way. So I need to basically rotate A prime. That would be 135 degrees. And I end up there. So that's going southeast 1 unit or 1 mile. And then it says go south 1 mile. So that one should be fairly easy as well. We're going to rotate B prime 45. Actually, that would be 90 degrees plus 45 degrees there. And that should take us south 1 mile. So let's go ahead and do that. That would be rotating B prime to get B double prime. So it's 45 degrees and then 90 degrees. That's one way to think about it. All right. And then, so that's south 1 mile. And then it says go northeast 1.5 miles. That one's a little bit trickier. So northeast is this way. And so what I did first is I rotated A double prime over 45 degrees to get the direction, which would be northeast. And then found the midpoint between A triple prime and B triple prime, which is C. And that's how I got 1.5 miles northeast. And then it says go southwest 2 miles. That should be the end of our route. Southwest. So southwest from there is, this is south, this is west. So southwest, you basically retrace the line. And took a few steps here. And so bear with me. You don't have to worry too much about how I rotated at that point. I really probably made it more complicated than it needed to be. But I got down to the end of Sharon's route. Okay, now it says if Justin's route is symmetric to Sharon's route about the east-west line through the clubhouse. So let's figure out where the east-west line is through the clubhouse. Remember, the clubhouse originated here in A. And Justin's route is symmetric. Okay, that means that the line of symmetry is the east-west line. So we're going to use a reflection to find Justin's route. And so if we reflect Justin's route, if we reflect Sharon's route, we end up with Justin's route. And what you learn if you do that is you find the end of Justin's route is up here. And now you can answer the question, will Justin's route end north or south of the clubhouse? And you can see from the picture that he ended north. Everything up here is north of the clubhouse, which is this point here. And that is how you follow the instructions. Of course, I did it with rotations using GeoGebra. You don't have to do it that way. You can use grid paper. You could possibly use a compass. And hopefully this helped you understand how to solve your problem.